Tuesday, update day. So, for today, we're going to be checking out the new update. And as you can see, I finally got the new axe. I've never gotten it before, and it's really cool. Watch this. Nah, I fell. So, yeah, it's basically just kind of like a grappler, but you have to, like, actually kind of climb. You know those people that climb on, like, ice mountains? This is basically that. Just, you can do it with anything in the game. Also, in the new update, we also have this thingy right here. And that guy comes up. It's really weird. I don't know why they wanted to add this. Oh. It worked. But yeah, this thing gives out like rubber ducks stuff. It's really cool. And this is a new bundle, and you can get these special limited swords. Super cool. Really recommend it. I don't have enough for it, but also these are new. That's so cool. And so are these. What the? What is this? Why is this one a rhino? And why is this a dog? Aren't they supposed to be bats? Not a rhinoceros. Okay. We still got the capybara. Also, if you guys are wondering, yes, you can go to the tech tree and get a new item, the axe. Right here. But yeah, that's really it for this update. Tell me what y'all guys think in the comments, and also, please comment some good video ideas. Anyways, RipBip out. Thank you. Bye.